Good afternoon, teacher Javier Vélez. My name is TIAnnActivity. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Villanueva Calzanari. I live 2 years ago to Carres Nariño. I'm studying ninth semester of Environmental Engineering in the UNAD. My favorite genre, the music, is pop. And my favorite art is Juanes. The best movie I've seen is Jurassic World. The Fallen Kingdom. My favorite color is blue, and my hobby is play volleyball. The Square or Simón Bolívar Central Park of Túcares, Nariño. Every year, big parties are celebrated, such as black and white carnivals, where several art shows as people have a lot of fun. Is the very bee of the fall is and has good space. I invite you to come in the month of January area in Hoy, Ted's Park, and the carnivals. She's Joe soon.